The sensor is located on the left side of the engine, red arrow. It is mounted on a bracket by the number 3 intake runner. You will need to remove the engine cooling or purge fans along with the rear wing to access it. If this is the first time you are doing this, you may want to move other components as well, depending on how small and strong your hands are. We have removed the Y-pipe and the air intake ducts to give us more room. If you choose to do this, please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with those tasks. This is a very tight area. You can see the wiring connection, red arrow. The sensor sits in a friction fit grommet on the bracket on the number 3 intake runner. Reach way back and disconnect the wiring connection. Squeeze in on the tab and separate the connection, red arrow. Now you can wiggle and pull the grommet and sensor down and out from the bracket. This image shows the sensor and grommet out of the engine. Put a little lubricant in the grooves in the grommet before installing, red arrows. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.